Oh boy, we're getting ready to plant some seeds. You're making holes for the seeds? Those are called cells. What a good job. You can put the excess dirt here, that's why this is here. If you need to shake some dirt off because it's still good dirt, we can put it on top of the seeds after we plant them. What a big helper you are. Do you like planting?
Yay!
Which ones would you like to plant?
I like vegetables.
Yes.
CHIVES.
Chives. Chives.
Green, blue, purple, white, and brown.
Oh boy. No. Are those seeds tiny or big?
Big.
Oh, big.
That's a tiny one.
I thought they were tiny, yeah. Compared to the tomatoes and peppers, they're pretty tiny.
Hello? Hello? It's not phone.
No, the seeds are not a phone. What's this one?
D-I-L-L.
Dill.
Yellow, green, blue, tomato.
Ooh, what kind of tomato? Does it say?
Red tomato.
Red cherry. You have the little broccoli seeds in your hand? Oh my goodness, they're so tiny. Oh, Sophia. Are you planting broccoli?
Yes.
Need more broccoli or something else? Oh, you want some cauliflower now?
Okay.
Here we go. Cauliflower time. Here comes Sophia. Are you putting them in the holes? Yeah. Oh, good. Okay. After applying the honey around, you can see it's a little shimmery all the way around it on the bottom. I like to get a dowel as to not disturb the honey too much. And you just carefully, here we go. Smush. Very lightly. This soil's already moistened enough, but after I put all three in, I'll most likely give it a little more water. It rained pretty well here. Okay.